Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore 50 plus essential morning routine vocabulary words in English. Let's get started. Wake up. Wake up. Get up. Get up. Stretch. Stretch. Yawn. Yawn. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. Snooze. Snooze. Turn off the alarm. Turn off the alarm. Make the bed. Make the bed. Brush teeth. Brush teeth. Wash face. Wash face. Take a shower. Take a shower. Shave. Shave. Get dressed. Get dressed. Comb hair. Comb hair. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Make breakfast. Make breakfast. Drink water. Drink water. Drink coffee. Drink coffee. Drink tea. Drink tea. Pack lunch. Pack lunch. Read newspaper. Read newspaper. Check emails. Check emails. Exercise. Exercise. Meditate. Meditate. Listen to music. Listen to music. Watch news. Watch news. Feed pets. Feed pets. Water plants. Water plants. Put on shoes. Put on shoes. Grab keys. Grab keys. Leave the house. Leave the house. Lock the door. Lock the door. Drive to work. Drive to work. Walk to work. Walk to work. Take the bus. Take the bus. Take the train. Take the train. Bike to work. Bike to work. Check social media. Check social media. Plan the day. Plan the day. Write in a journal. Write in a journal. Review schedule. Review schedule. Prepare for a meeting. Prepare for a meeting. Drop off kids. Drop off kids. Pick out clothes. Pick out clothes. Check the weather. Check the weather. Take vitamins. Take vitamins. Listen to a podcast. Listen to a podcast. Make a to-do list. Make a to-do list. Pray. Pray. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Tidy up. Tidy up. Iron clothes. Iron clothes. Pack bag. Pack bag. Check messages. Check messages. Put on makeup. Put on makeup. Thank you so much for watching our video on 50 plus morning routine vocabulary in English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.